Well, here we are. The TTS is complete, safe from the scrappy. It lives to see another day, and today we celebrate. Check it out. This one's a head turner, no doubt. And I told you I'm on one. I feel alive when I do this. I've grown attached to the baby R8. However, to keep it moving with the channel, I can't keep it. If you're in the market for one, holler at your boy. This could be a daily driver or weekend toy. To all those that follow, I appreciate you and hope many more join for the ride. I'm gassed because this is my passion. You should pursue yours too. Take it in. Yeah. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed that little movie, and I guess that is it for the TTS. What's next? 2 words, old school, and that's all I'm saying. I'm Wayne, this is Things on Wheels. Keep on keeping on. Bless up.